The 9-box grid has several advantages, which is probably one of the reasons why it's so popular today. First and foremost, it standardizes the development and succession planning process. It makes it so that each time, each discussion, each rating, each conversation is based on the same information and done in a similar way. It includes multiple perspectives from multiple sources of information about the employees. The graphic is easy to understand and easy to discuss. By categorizing employees, companies can match them to development opportunities that make the most sense for them and the organization. Companies tend to invest more in stars, rising stars, and high performers. The other categories of employees are not completely ignored. They are just provided with different development opportunities that maybe don't cost as much money or as much time. If they prove themselves, if they improve their performance, if they improve their potential, there may be better opportunities waiting for them. The 9-box grid is something that you will likely see again in the future. So I encourage you to explore this Canvas page further.